Hello everyone, I just thought I'd do a quick video of these Red Wing shoes. These are Red Wing Moc Toes that I bought from AliExpress, and I'm just going to unbox them and take a look at what we got. So, it comes in a Red Wing box, all branded up, albeit a little bit battered. Inside, we've got the boots. So how do they look? Well, the first thing is they're actually the wrong colour. So I ordered a red brown, and these are, I believe, described as sunset yellow. So that's the first thing. Let's move the box out of the way. So we've got, to all intents and purposes, a pair of Red Wings, but they've got Red Wing, the Red Wing label inside. It says Red Wing made in the USA, which I doubt. UK size 8, which is my size. They look pretty well made, to be honest. Nice stitching. I'm no shoe expert, so I can't comment too much. They've got the Red Wing logo embossed on the leather there. The leather looks very smooth, maybe a little bit plasticky perhaps, but it looks pretty much like real leather, but I'm guessing it's from this sort of inside. It's relatively low-fi leather, low quality leather. Thick rubber sole. It says Red Wing on the bottom. But yeah, so this is just a short video, just an unboxing of these. I think they're pretty good. I paid £47 sterling for them. Red Wing Moc Toes on the Red Wing website in the UK, £309. I suspect they're not real Red Wing. Anyway, so I guess the question is, how will they feel? I've got to try them on. How will they last, more importantly? But, you know, you get what you pay for. I paid £47 for them, so hopefully, as long as they're comfortable and as long as they last a year, if they last a year, I'll be happy with them. So I'll post another video as I wear these. So maybe I'll post another video in a month, after a month's worth of wear, see what they look like then, how they're standing up. But yeah, that's it, just a quick one. So these are from AliExpress, £47, took 10 days to arrive from the date of order. Yeah, we'll see how they go.